Hi everyone, my name is Nargis Nasreen and we are here to solve another question on SQL, and today is day 58 of solving 100 questions on SQL. So the question we are going to solve today is host popularity, rental prices, and this question got asked in Airbnb. So the question is, you are given a table named Airbnb host searches that contains data for rental property searches made by users. Determine the minimum, average, and maximum rental prices for each popularity rating bucket. A popularity rating bucket should be assigned to every record based on its number of reviews. And these are the rules. If 0 review, the popularity rating will be new. If the review is between 1 to 5, the popularity rating will be rising. For 16 to 15, it is trending up. For 16 to 40, it is popular. For more than 40 reviews, it is hot. Okay. And it is given that in the ID column in the table refers to the search ID. And in the output, what we have to show? We have to show host popularity rating and their minimum, average, and maximum rental prices. Order the solution by minimum price. Okay. Okay. Let me show you the table and then we are going to discuss about the problem. So in the table, we have these columns. We have price, okay, of the rental type, property type. Then we have these columns and then we have number of reviews. Okay. So for example, for this row, for this type of rental property, which is house, the price is 621.46 and the number of reviews is 1. Okay. And if number of review is 1, it falls into rising category. Okay. So what we have to do for all the popularity rating for new, rising, trending up, popular and hot, we have to find out each rental property will fall into which category of most popularity rating. Okay. So this is given, the chart is given here, like this is what we have to follow. So this row, the first row, it will fall into rising category as the number of reviews is 1. Okay. Similarly, here the number of reviews is again 1, so it will again fall into rising. Here it is 0, so it will fall into new. So we have to assign this popularity rating to every row. And then we, for each unique popularity rating, that is for new, rising up, trending up, popular and hot, we have to find out, that is like for each popularity rating, what is the minimum price, what is the average price, and what is the maximum rental price. Okay. This is what we have to find out. So let's try to solve this problem. So what we are going to do, we are going to select the required columns. So we are going to select price and we are going to select number of reviews. Okay, now let's run this. So we have price and we have number of reviews. Now we are going to use case statement so that we can assign this popularity rating value based on the number of reviews. So what we are going to do, we are going to write down case when number of reviews equals 0, then new. Then the next case is going to be when number of reviews between 1 and 5, then it is going to be rising. Again, when number of reviews between 6 and 15, then we have to write down trending up. When number of reviews between 16 and 40, then we have to write down popular. When number of reviews greater than 40, then we have to write down hot. Okay. And as, let's name this as popularity rating. Okay. Now let's run this. We have this error. Near hot. Oh, we missed then. Let's run this. Okay. So yeah. So now we are getting price. We have number of reviews and we have the, like, which popularity rating value it is getting. Like for 1, it is rising. For 2, it is again rising because it is between 1 and 5. For 0, it is new, and so on. Like Here, if you see for 25, it is popular because it is between 16 and 40. So this is how we are getting. Now what we have to do for each popularity rating, we have to find out minimum, average, and maximum rental price. Okay. So now what we are going to do, I'm going to take common table expressions with CTE as, and then I'm going to write down select star from CTE. It is going to give us same table. Now, what I'm going to do, I am going to find out unique popularity rating. How we can do it? When we have to find out something unique, we do group by. So I'm going to do group by on popularity rating, right? And here I'm going to write down popularity rating. Okay, if we run this, this is what we are getting. So these are the unique categories, right? Right? Rising, new, trending up, hot, and popular. Okay. Now, for each category, what we have to find? We have to find out minimum price. We have to find out average price. And we have to find out maximum price. Okay, let's run this. So yeah, we are getting this. And as mentioned in the question, we have to order it by minimum price. Let's run this. So yeah, this is what we are getting. So this is the answer. Okay, we did it by writing this query. So first what we did, we categorize review all the rows based on the number of reviews it has received into different categories like new, rising up, trending up, popular, and hot based on the condition. And then for each value, for each popularity rating value, we find out what is the minimum price using minimum, what is the average price, and what is the maximum price. And this is how it is looking like. Okay. Now let's see the expected output. So yeah, if you see expected output is matching, right? So our query is looking correct. Now let's submit our solution. And yeah, our solution got submitted. So this is the query. It is a simple question. You just know about, you should know about case statement, like how you can put values into different categories based on the number of reviews. And then you can find it out because we know how to use minimum, average, and maximum. Okay. These are the aggregate functions. Okay. So this is what we have done in this query. Hope you understood the problem and the solution as well. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. If you have more solution to this problem, you can put that too in the comment section. I hope you like this video. If you like it, keep liking. Do not forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.